What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be working on a 2021 Ford F150. This is, I believe, like the second or the third one we've done already. So the thing where I messed up was the fact that I didn't blog the other ones that we did. I think the first one I did was like I think it was that white one or grayish one. I forgot the color. And then the other ones we just did them. We got real busy, so we didn't really get to blog them. But man, they're beautiful. I think this one has like 400 miles on it, and we are going to drop it with, you guessed it, the IHC kit. So he brought his own kit. Everything's here: upper, lower control arms, your flip kit, drop shocks, and everything. Right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jack her up, start taking the wheels off, and just start tearing the suspension apart, just to clear some shit up. If it's a two-wheel drive, it'll drop 4.6. If it's a 4x4, it's gonna drop 3.5. So in order for you to get the 5 in the back, you need to add the lip shackle. And I like these better because they changed up the leaf springs. Now it's only like 2 leaf springs, and they're really light. They almost feel like fiberglass. So let me start tearing this thing up, and then I'll show you guys what's in there, what changed, what didn't change. But these trucks, man, they're beautiful. I really want one. So either this year or next year I'll get one. Well, there you go, guys. That's the finished product right here. IHC 4.6, upper lower control arms, everything's bolted up, everything's torqued to spec, everything has Loctite. In the rear you have your flip kit, a new bolt right here because we cut the old one out, your drop shocks, and then obviously you get your stock parts back. But yeah, for everybody that was asking me why I haven't posted one of these, because we've been real busy, but here you go. IHC 4.6. If you're trying to drop your new 2021, hit us up, or even your 15 or 20. Hit me up on Instagram, Orlando_2010, or call me, text me 713-501-5105. We're out.